is Boao, a coastal town in China's southernmost province of Hainan. Right now, around 3,000 people are gathering here for the Boao Forum for Asia Annual Conference to discuss global issues that are most relevant to our lives.
Boao is the permanent venue of the BFA, a non-governmental and non-profit international organization founded to promote regional economic development and cooperation.
The town of Boao was once an obscure fishing village. It has been significantly transformed since the inception of the BFA in 2001.
The Boao Lecheng International Medical Tourism Pilot Zone, the first of its kind in China, is a demonstration project for China's healthcare reform. Last year, the pilot zone welcomed 127,300 visits for medical tourism. In recent years, villages near the venue for the BFA annual conference have also been turned into popular tourist attractions.
在博鳌亚洲论坛期间，会有很多的外国嘉宾来到村子里面，洽谈商业合作，然后规划未来的发展方向。
Not only was the town reshaped by the BFA, over the years, the annual conference itself has also become an influential platform that has witnessed China's opening up and integration with Asia and the global community.
This year's conference is held under the theme of The World in COVID-19 and Beyond, working together for global development and shared future.
This year's theme is extremely important because the Boao Forum for Asia is taking place in the backdrop of the world's most serious pandemic in 100 years. And therefore, the theme of this year's summit is something that is relevant universally. This shows China's commitment to care for the development of the entire world.
Boao Forum has provided member countries with an opportunity to deliberate and bring together different voices from business, government and academia into finding sustainable solutions to the challenges facing the member states.
博鳌亚洲论坛反映了中国高水平开放的呼声，而这些开放的展现使得中国不仅成为经济全球化的重要的参与者，而且成为经济全球化的重要推动者。
China's role has become even more significant in the economic recovery of many countries, especially those countries trading with China. And through China, long-term sustained growth, being the top trading partner, export market, import supplier, and a major source of foreign investment technology. So these are areas where China becomes very much relevant as we bounce back from the pandemic.
With the BFA annual conference underway, Boao is again turned into a town of diplomacy. And the Boao Forum, as an effective platform of cross-regional collaborations, is expected to play an increasingly important role for promoting global development amid the COVID-19 and beyond.